Let's face it, some of us plan our whole day before finishing a cup of coffee, like heading to your son's big football game after work. Choose the 395 Express lanes to help keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle. All you need to get going is an E-ZPass or an E-ZPass Flex. The 395 Express lanes stretch for 8 miles from near Edsall Road in Northern Virginia to the 14th Street Bridge in D.C. They offer an easier way to get to and from the Pentagon and Pentagon City with 2 ramps at the Eads Street interchange. When driving northbound, head left for the Pentagon and right for Pentagon City. Score free travel with a carpool of 3 or more people. Just make sure your E-ZPass Flex shows HOV on. The 395 Express lanes are reversible. They point northbound in the morning to help our customers heading toward D.C., then southbound in the evening for their return trips. To head southbound on the 395 Express lanes from the Pentagon, take the same ramp at Eads Street that you used in the morning. So why worry about playing guessing games with traffic? Make it to your kid's big game on time. Drive happy on the 395 Express lanes. Let's go!